Okay, so the game we're going to play today is Snakie the Blind Snake. Team leaders have to navigate their blindfolded team members by using signals tapping on the shoulder. The team members have to pass the message to the first person, and the first person have to get the ping pong ball and put it to the basin.
This game is a great trust-building activity that requires each team member to work with one another in unison towards a common objective. As you can see, the team leader plays a very important role in this game. The leader needs to give the right instructions and carefully strategize to ensure that all team members are well coordinated with one another. With the right coordination skills, it can help to minimize conflicts, rivalries, wastage, and delay within the team, which allows the team to achieve their team goals easily and quickly. That's all for today. Stay tuned for more.